problem with that run out. The batsman was well in. This one's and Asif threw with the left arm and the right arm. And also I think it's Kevin Peterson, no? Robin Peterson, no? The South African. Yes, Robin Peterson does that.
I played with late Wasim Raja, and he also used to.
Threw, yes, because Wasim Raja started off as a right-hander, and then he was a bowler. He was a right-hander. Now Kushal Perera, the Sri Lankan wicket-keeper batsman, he started off as a right-hander, but then his hero was Jayasuriya, so he's turned to batting left-hander. On to the onside. In fact, there's a story about John Sutherland, who's the chief executive of the Australian Cricket Board. He was a very useful state player, and he was ambidextrous. And one of the Australians said, watch out, mate, he's amphibian." Oh, thank you very much, and we love you.
Cool and Cool presents Higher T20 Cup 2015 and Higher Mobile Fighter versus Bright Paint Bahawalpur. And these are the young ones watching it from probably from outside. And this is not advisable, Chishti. You can't play at such level these type of shots which look very agriculture, and they are not productive at all. You have seen the line, you went it hard using the bottom hand and playing like with an horizontal bat. You need to play it straight back to the bowler or within the gaps. There are a lot of gaps, in the field. The first 6 overs, you need to utilize those 6 overs while playing conventional and traditional shots.
By the way, Hanif Mohammad also could bowl with his right arm and left arm both. I mean, what quality the bowling was, I won't talk about it, but he could bowl with both arms.
But what happened, Chishti, if you bowl from right hand, you start by telling the umpire right arm off spin, and then you turn with your left hand. Do you have to tell the umpire as well?
Yes, I think if you... This one is crashed through the covers. That's going to go to the boundary for 4. Middle it well, timed it well, and it's 4 more runs. You don't tell the umpire that you're bowling right arm off spin. You don't have to tell him that. You have to say right arm over the wicket or round the wicket. And then if you switch arms, then you tell the umpire so that he can tell the batsman that he's going to go left arm over the wicket. When you take guard, the umpire tells you that the bowler is going to bowl right arm over the wicket, 3 to come.
I think Rahim Baz has been given the license to kill, and the way he has started batting, I don't think so he's going to stop any ball, and that ball which goes perilously close to the off stump, he could have been in dire trouble at that ball, just to come back a little more.
Had he connected that in the middle of the bat, that would have travelled to Raja Bazaar.
Once again, a very funny looking shot from Rahim Baz. And we love Fata. The fans from Fata supporting their team.
So do we, I can assure you.
That ball was hit straight to mid-on fielder and no run. After the end of 3 overs, Fata 15 for 1.
I'm not very well versed with the teams at the moment, have not watched them too much, but I think I have a feeling that Rahim Baz has been sent as a pinch hitter. He's probably not a number 3 batsman.
Looks like Chishti, the way he started batting, I think his captain wants him to go and utilize those 6 overs, in the circle.
Yes, I think the batsmen to follow: Rehan, Khushdil Shah, Sarwar, Asad Afridi, Irfan, Asif Afridi, and it's Zahir. That's going to be 4. Yes, Rahim Baz doing the right thing. He's bludgeoning them. Get quick runs on the board. Give a good platform to the batsmen who have to come in. Release the pressure from them. Put on a few quick runs while the power play lasts.
I think Zahir has to use his slow ball and bouncer as well. He needs not to be predicted or predictable, because Rahim Baz is after his bowling. He is not going to stop any ball this time. The ball was just came in and crammed him from playing that shot. If he with 20 for 1 in 3.2 overs, Naeem struggling to get the bat on the ball, has already played 5 ball for 1 run, and on the other hand Rahim Baz is looking quite dangerous